But you look beautiful.
I don't look beautiful.
You look beautiful to me. How come I can't send you to camp like this tomorrow?
You look like a wild banshee on a goose chase.
It looks like a wild banshee on a goose chase? You sure I can't send you to camp like this tomorrow? Why not?
Because I will look like a crazy person, like a banshee and some underbit hair.
Like some under what?
Underbit hair is when it's all out, like crazy.
But you keep crying. What am I supposed to do if you're going to keep crying?
It hurts because my hair is sensitive. I can't go out like this, so it'll break my heart into 2 pieces.
It'll break your heart into 2 pieces if I let you go out like that? But you keep crying. You said I'm hurting the roots of your brain.
It hurts though.
I'm trying to be gentle.
It's just that the comb has too much rats in it.
The comb has too much rats in it?
Because you said it was a rat comb. That's why this thing.
Okay.
When you do this first, it hurts with the second one.
With the rats?
Okay.
All right. So should we try? I mean, I don't want to hurt you. I don't want you to say I'm pulling your brains from the root.
No.
So what to do?
I don't know, do a bang or some braids in the back or something.
Okay. And that's it? Okay. You gonna be okay? You sure? Your brains and your roots and all that?
How many braids do I have to have?
A lot.
Like 122.
Oh my God! Really? Is that too many? All right. So how about 40? 10? Yeah. Okay. 40, 10. Okay. 15. No? Oh. We'll try. Okay.
10.
We'll see. Okay. Poor baby.